In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change letter spacing in Affinity. Letter spacing, also called tracking, controls how much space sits between characters across a selection of text. It's perfect for tightening a dense paragraph, spreading out a headline for a clean, modern look, or bringing visual consistency to different type styles. Start by highlighting the text you want to adjust. Click into your text with the type tool and drag to select a portion, or select the entire text object if you want the change applied everywhere. The key is that your text is active and highlighted so Affinity knows exactly what you're editing. Next, open the panel where these controls live. Go to the top menu and click Window. From there, hover over Text, then choose Character. If the Character panel is already visible in your studio on the right, that's great. You can keep going. If it pops up as a floating panel, just leave it open. We'll use it in the next step. Inside the Character panel, look for the section labeled Positioning and Transform. If it's collapsed, click the small arrow to expand it. This section groups the controls that affect how your characters sit on the line, including tracking. Now find the control labeled Tracking. With your text still highlighted, click and hold on the tracking value and drag left to reduce spacing or right to increase it. As you drag, you'll see the spacing update live on your canvas, so you can dial in the exact look you want. Positive values open the text up for more air and readability at larger sizes, while negative values pull letters closer for a compact, impactful feel. A few tips while you adjust. Small changes go a long way, especially with body text, so nudge gradually and keep an eye on legibility. If anything starts to feel crowded or uneven, ease off the negative values. For display type, like headings or logos, a bit more tracking can create a sleek, balanced rhythm. If you ever want to go back to the default, simply type 0 into the tracking field to reset. Remember, tracking affects the overall spacing across your selection. That's different from kerning, which targets the space between specific letter pairs. For most layout refinements, tracking is the fastest, cleanest tool to get consistent spacing. And that's it. Highlight your text, open window, then text, then character, head to positioning and transform, and adjust tracking by dragging left or right. Make your final touches, save your document, and you're done.